Díoghaíd, is Mrs. Shuan. Hi, I'm Shuan from Bite-Size Irish Gaelic, and today we're learning how to ask what something costs. Cé vayd a-taw? Cé vayd a-taw? Cé can also be said cá vayd a-taw? How much is it? Another way of asking is asking how much it costs. Kayn mayj a chosnaíonn. Kayn mayj a chosnaíonn shay. Kayn mayj a chosnaíonn. How much does it cost? It can also be said cé vayd a chosnaíonn or cá vayd a chosnaíonn, just like in how we asked how much is it. You can also ask what something's price is. Cén pryss a-taw? Cén pryss a-taw? Cén pryss a-taw? What's its price? Now you know how to ask what something costs in 3 different ways. To learn more Irish like this, why not take a free trial of Bite-Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.